Is Exitlag promising a smoother gaming experience but instead delivering the dreaded no connection error? Don't rage quit just yet. I'm about to walk you through the quick fixes that will get you back in the game. First things first, let's restart Exitlag. A simple close and reopen can often resolve temporary glitches that cause connection issues. Make sure to completely close it from the system tray as well, not just the main window. Okay, now that Exitlag is fully closed, give your computer a quick restart too. This clears out any lingering processes that might be interfering with the connection. A fresh boot is surprisingly effective. Once your computer is back on, open Exitlag again. Before launching your game, double-check your region selection. Sometimes, an incorrect region setting can prevent a successful connection. Ensure it's set to the closest server to your game server. If the problem persists, it's time to check your internet connection. Run a quick internet speed test to ensure your connection is stable and meeting the minimum requirements for both Exitlag and your game. A weak or unstable connection will always cause problems. Finally, if nothing else has worked, temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus. Sometimes, these security programs can mistakenly block Exitlag's connection. Remember to re-enable them after testing to protect your system.